get new batteries, man. I don't know, my batteries got so quick now. Granted, it's been weeks since I charged them. I'm already down to 1 bar.
Dang.
Already.
Yeah, you might have to get some more batteries too, so you can just be on the go.
Yeah.
It looks great out there in the water.
Kind of going easy to get more time out of my battery. Funny thing is, going slow, the battery works harder because the boat's not on a plane and it's having to work against the waves. Now I'm going fast enough that it ain't struggling. No, there it is.
Jeez, it's hard to keep up.
Just gotta do a little something for the camera.
Yeah.
I think this is like the full speed of the arrow, UDI arrow.
Yeah, but it's smaller.
Yeah. So look, it feels like it's on off here. Get my last bar break and now I'm gonna bring it back. Try to get a couple more passes out of it.
Nice. That sucks, man. Could have charged at my spot.
I didn't know it was gonna be that quick to get charged, man.
Yeah.
And we only had an hour because we gotta get to Jacksonville. It almost cost me though, bro.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been nothing. It wouldn't have been nothing.
At least I'm planning on how much I can budget. If we get your boat floating to the fountain there.
I got you.
You watch my boat in the game and I went over and ate yours. Well, I had to get boated cut off yet.
Yeah. Let's see, where's that gator? I think he's right there.
Yeah, I can watch him. Next time we come, you're gonna see the gator sitting up out the water with a little boat.
Yeah, this boat's gonna have like treats on it.
Yeah.
Little Debbies and stuff trying to see if you. He's running out. He's getting pretty close.
Want me to video you while you run yours?
I'm still on the same video.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Keep it ready.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was hitting the zoom 1 through 10.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, you good?
I got you.
Let me put you on 3, I guess.
Yours would do zoom with a pinch on it if I do this.
It will, but what I was doing was I was just hitting the.
Oh, the presets.
Yeah, I was doing like that. See, it had it right.
Yeah, 3. You're good. Because what I do is I follow you and I zoom in and out as you come and go. I see you.
Juan just called.
Probably just got out of church.
Yeah. Get nasty. It's a nasty time.
Prepared for you.
You prepared?
Yeah. You about to do something silly. You
Okay.
about to cut it up. Woo! Gotcha. Woo!
Things like a mattress on the water.
Yeah.
feel like
You almost got me a second ago. You good though?
I think that left hand turn is a bit sharper.
Yeah, my boat turns better one direction too. Even the UDIs were like that, but that's because the rudder's off to one side, remember? Oh, you got me. All I got was roost.
Yeah.
I didn't know you were gonna do that.
Yeah. That servo I got in there,
Yeah.
it really like muscles that rudder.
Rip it from the back of your boat.
I bolted it to the transom.
So you really reinforced it. Yeah, the transom.
Yeah, I bolted it to the transom.
Damn. Like a salamander. Sidewinder. I lost you. Coming back. I got you. Go. Don't beach it. Skipping it like a rock.
Full throttle. Full trigger. The guy from Ironclad RC. Big B.
Yeah.
Full trigger. Full trigger.
Oh shit. I'm quick with the zoom.
Usually, oh, there it goes.
Dang, you just cut off?
Yeah, well, that's the power.
The boat cut off, I got you.
Yeah.
My boat probably did it, but I kept it so easy that I didn't notice.